Hello, I'm Vicki Leroux with Create and Adorn. Thank you so much for selecting this video and joining me today. I make weekly videos on this channel hoping to inspire other modern jewelry creators by sharing how we can create really contemporary designs by using minimal materials, minimal techniques, and minimal time, and still getting stunning results. Each week I make a new video that shares new designs, tips, ideas, new kits we may have available. So if that sounds like fun to you, I hope you'll consider subscribing. So this week I have a couple new components in our collection I want to share, and I made a few designs with them to show you different ways to use them. And then of course I have a couple new kits to share as well. I always have, at least one new kit is the goal, but I always sometimes end up with more because I just have so much fun making them. Oh, the other thing I want to make sure to mention is that our monthly live streams are returning. And of course, depending on when you're watching this, but we've tried to do them the first Saturday of every month, and then I had to have shoulder surgery, so we took a pause for a few months, but now I'm excited to start them again. And so I'm going to show you the project that we'll be doing for our next live stream, which will be Saturday, October 5th, 2020. It's always the first Saturday of the month. And I try to share the project a month in advance so that you can order the kit that goes with it, so that you'll receive it in time to go ahead and make the project along with us in real time. So it's really fun. So I'm excited to share that new project at the very end. So let's look at new components. I just have a couple really simple new components that go right along with the line that we have already been carrying, but they're really pretty. So the first one is just this lovely triangle, right? This little golden triangle. It's got that beautiful gold satin finish on it. And then the other shape I have is just a little diamond shape, right? They're both about the size of a quarter, and they're both only available in gold this time. But, it's that beautiful light, soft gold that mixes so well with all metal colors. Gold is probably the trickiest to match because there's some really yellowy golds, and then there's brassy golds, or antique looking gold. They're tricky, right? But this light color gold really works beautifully whether you're mixing a darker gold or a gunmetal or even silver, because it's so light and bright. So I think it's really lovely. So both those components are new ones, and I've made some simple designs with them. First is just some earrings, and right, just a simple drop, of course, is probably the easiest design to do there. Let me maybe use the white background so you can see it. But just a simple, pearl drop there, and I used the caps that match this line. And then I did a different one that just has then multiple dangles. And those are on brass, a little brass chain. Excuse me. Ooh, get back in my chair. So it's on a little brass chain, and then I did multiple dangles there in pearls and crystals and things. So either way, they're extremely lightweight, and so you can add, whatever you'd like in there. And I think it makes a lovely impact. The little diamonds are $195, and then the triangles are $175. So it's a lot of payoff, I think, for a pretty economical price. Here's a little earring I did with the triangle. I want you to be able to see it. I just did our little moonstone gem drops in there as a little cluster that I think are very sweet. But of course we could do just a little single drop too, and it would be very easy. So lots of options with those for earrings. The kits, though, I did use those for necklaces. So the first one I want to show you is just a little triangle. This is our golden triangle necklace. So that white background kind of blows it out, but she's so pretty. It's got a couple little crystals here that break it up, and then the tassel. Let me put her on a different background maybe so you can possibly see her a little bit better in the black. Let's try gray. tricky with these cameras. There we go. But she's really beautiful. So this is mixing that light gold with bright silver, and it's really lovely and light and airy. You could also do this with a gunmetal, though, and it would be really beautiful. And it's just a fun way to make that into a pretty little pendant. This kit is only $17 and is available now. And of course, members have a 20% discount, and I even have a 10% discount for non-members. I'll leave both links below if you're interested in finding out about our membership. The other project I wanted to show you, or kit, is this lovely long piece. She's so pretty. So, you know, fall is right around the corner, and so I really wanted to make kind of a stunning, lovely impact piece for fall. And I'll show it close up. So I've used beautiful gunmetal and those light gold components with some little twisted components. And then for the pendant, I've done a beautiful little natural biwa, pearl there. That is a little teardrop shaped biwa pearl that's just beautiful. So it's pretty long, but I think it will be just gorgeous over a sweater or something long for fall or all year long. But if you don't like wearing your necklace this long, you could easily just not use the two back components, right? And make it shorter and use these for earrings, right? So you've got instant earrings then, consider it that way. This kit is $45, right? To make the project as you see here with all the components and pieces and chain and the little special components and the beautiful biwa. But like I said, you could just not use the two back ones and use those for earrings, and then you've got the extra chain, or you could spread the chain out more in between them if you wanted to. I mean, that is the beauty of making this all yourself. So I think it's just a lovely, lovely, lovely piece that will just look gorgeous, you know, layered anywhere. So that is our other new kit. Last week I shared this little pendant as a design, and I went ahead and made it a kit. So this is available too. It's our little circle of love pendant with the little pearl cluster. This one is also like $19. And the other necklace I'm wearing is one that goes to the other kit I did last week, which is our circles and pearls. And it had two necklaces actually. It had this one with the pearls and the ring and the shorter one. I think this is $36.50 for both necklaces, and you can wear them together or obviously wear them individually, like I am right here. So I think these are so fun to layer with. Okay, so before I let you go, I'm going to share our live stream project. So for the live stream projects, I try to choose, sliding off my chair today, sliding down. I try to choose projects that would maybe be a little more challenging, and so they'd be better for the live stream so that you have access to me if you have any issues. Also, I've chosen bracelets for the next 3 months that are some of our most popular designs from our shop and the in-person classes we used to have. So our customers might have made some of these before, but it's possibly been a while, but they're all beauties, and so it's definitely fun to make them again. So without further ado, we are doing, for our first one, we are doing this Cartier bracelet, right? Bracelet cuff, Cartier cuff. She is available in 6 color stories, and here I can take off mine. It is this beautiful weave, and that is the silver on silver. And oh, sorry, that must have been loud by the microphone. The silver and gunmetal, the gunmetal and silver, the gold on gold, just gorgeous, and the gold and gunmetal. And it's also available with the gold and a silver mix that I am working on right now. So 6 colors. If it's $42, which is a great price for this, for the impact you're getting here. If you have done this project with us before, then you'll be familiar with what an intricate weave this is. And right, we're weaving that beautiful ball chain into the Rolo. So what we do is we have to create little needles on the end of the ball chain so that we can weave it. So what I've done for these kits is your kit is already going to come with the needles attached to the end of the ball chain already for you. So you don't have to worry about doing that. It'll all come ready to go. It's even going to come with a replacement set of needles, just in case you bend that up too much or it breaks off or something like that. But that seems to be one of the most challenging parts about getting this beautiful design, is getting the just be able to make that weave. You've got to get the needles small enough and attached correctly. So it's going to come with them already attached for you. So I hope that you will join us. Like I said, this kit is available now, 6 colors, $42. Members save 20%, which is a good chunk of money on these projects. Our membership is just has also just relaunched. There's a separate video about it, and I'll leave a link down below. But it's $20 a month, and you get access to our full video library, which has all of our technique class videos, but also the full video tutorial for all of our projects. So each of the kits that you purchase comes with, of course, the complete instructions, but I also make a complete video tutorial for that project that lives over in our members area. So you have access to those as much as you like all the time. And so we just relaunched that. Like I said, it's $20 a month, and which is a really good deal for being able to get then 4 to 6 new videos too every month. So I'm very excited about it. We'd love to have you there, and I will leave the link below. I also just launched a new course about, it's called Selling My Stash, which helps people sell jewelry they've made over the years that they're not wearing anymore. And I have a separate video for that as well. So I will leave all that linked up. We've got so many new things that we've launched